Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin roaming immediately after wave equilibrium and objective timing are clear. Move as a threat. Take vision, show bot or mid for 2-3 seconds, then rotate. Once done, position between lane and jungle to cut enemy retreat. This creates a collapse. Make sure to ping lane and type short commands. Your teammates must know your target. You trade lane gold for team pressure. Explain why. Kills, turret value, and turtle control matter more than solo farm right now. You initiate the gank by approaching through fog or jungle entrances. Do not run a straight path. Once in position, force a stun or displacement first. This secures the catch. Make sure to chain crowd control with your ally. Immobilize, then commit damage. Explain why. Consistent CC prevents flash escapes and secures objective control. Once engaged, peel for high-value targets if needed, and rotate to turret or jungle camp immediately to convert pressure into gold and map control. You finish the roam by converting success into structures or objectives. Push for turret plates or secure turtle within 10 to 20 seconds. Once done, reset vision and resources. If the gank fails, retreat early and ward the next path to prevent counter ganks. Make sure to adjust your item path. Pick defensive stats versus burst or extra boots for more rotations. If teammates don't follow, communicate a clear fallback plan. This single troubleshooting step prevents repeated deaths and keeps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.